Hello again, I'm Wayne with the VA's Veterans Health Administration. This is the third video in a 5-part series on the VA's Beneficiary Travel Self-Service System, or BTS3 for short. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the BTS3 to file your travel reimbursement for an appointment that is at a VA facility. You'll first navigate to the Access VA webpage, click the I'm a Veteran, and click Travel Claim Entry. Sign in using whichever profile you created. Accept the logon redirect. Don't forget you'll need to wait for BTS3 for your profile to come up. Review your profile, request any updates, and then click Proceed to Dashboard. There are two ways of creating a claim from your dashboard. You can click the Create button on the right-hand side of My Claims view, or how we're going to do it in this video, you'll scroll down to the My Appointments area, click on the Create a Claim in the associated column. My Appointments displays all VA appointments that are entered into the appointment system of record. This does not display any community care appointments or appointments at VA facilities that have not been entered into the appointment management system. Whether you choose method 1 or 2 to start your claim, you'll need to confirm your address. Once you've confirmed your address, you will click on Create Claim and Add Expense. This is the top portion of the claim expense page. Here you'll want to verify your appointment information and residential address. Make sure it's correct. Then you'll scroll down to the Add Expense portion. The lower portion of the claim expense page is where you'll be doing all your travel reimbursement. The Add Attachment button is where you'll add any receipts or proof of attendance for non-VA care appointments. You'll have to scan your receipts into your computer, or if you're claiming reimbursement from your smartphone, you can take a picture and attach them. You are limited to 5 attachments, so if you have more than 5 attachments, you'll want to scan them as one page or take a picture of more than one at one time. If you do not need to add attachments, then you'll start with Choose an Expense Type. You'll click on the box to the left of the expense you want to claim. Let's start with Use personal car to drive to appointment. You will use this if you're just claiming mileage or gas reimbursements for the medical care. If you click on the Took Common Carrier to get an appointment, you'll first want to make sure that you are pre-authorized to use a cab, bus, or subway. Pre-approved for meals or lodging will be used when you have authorization to stay in a hotel for your appointment. Once you've clicked on the box, an additional expense boxes will populate that correlate with the expense that you are claiming. Let's start with the Add Mileage Expense. Once you click on the Add Mileage Expense page, another page will load. In this section, you'll check the From address to make sure it is your residential address. Check the To address is the place that you received your care. You will then scroll down if you need to see the mileage reimbursement field. In this section, you can change the trip type from a round trip to a one-way. Only scheduled appointments are paid round trip. Unscheduled appointments are one way. If you don't know which is which, that's okay. We can fix that in the travel department. You can also challenge the miles if the map is wrong. You enter the miles you are requesting in the challenge requested mileage and give the reason why you're challenging the miles and the reason for challenge. Keep in mind that we pay by regulatory guidance to the closest facility by time that can handle the care according to Bing Maps. You will then click Add Expense button and your mileage expense to the claim. You will then see the line added to the claim expense page. If this is the only expense that you have to claim, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page to submit the claim. At this point, you can either save your claim for future submission, or once you agree to the terms by clicking the next box to I agree to the terms above paragraph, Then the Submit Claim will turn green, and you can submit your claim to the beneficiary office for payment. Once you have successfully submitted your claim for payment, you'll be redirected back to the My Dashboard. The claim you just created should be there with the date of the claim you submitted it on. The claim will be in manual review until the beneficiary travel clerk reviews the claim for accuracy. Then it will go into a submitted for payment status. Once the Financial Service Center pays the claim will go into claim paid status. You should receive your payment within 3 to 5 business days. Join me in our next video when you learn how to claim travel reimbursement for a non-VA appointment. Thank you for watching.